so cold. Aha! Food wrap. Play-Doh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In love, young, wild, and free. That's where we wanna be. Just you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In love, young, wild, and free. That's where we wanna be.
Fantastic.
Just you and me. A, B, C, D.
Whoa! Yeah!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I need to clean everywhere! Clean really well! Who's the best cleaner under the bed? Sam's the best cleaner! Sue really knows who to give this task to. Ha-ha! Take that! Yep, here, and there. What's this? Sue's secret box. Let's see. Wow, these are her old toys. Oh my Sarah! What happened to this poor doll? Oh, come with me. Let's remind Susie how she should treat her toys. Wow! Oh, Sammy! Scared, eh? You'll know better now than to leave your toys in such a sorry condition.
Oh no, I'm not scared. I'm glad.
What? Glad to see this?
Of course. It was my favorite doll when I was little. I played so much with her. I'm so glad you found her.
So, I did a good thing?
Of course you did. Here, have the candy. I'm not going to play with her like before, but I really want to have my favorite doll where I can see her. That's it! I'll clean her up and put her on a shelf to admire her.
Oh, well, you can try, though I don't think anything can help her.
You'll see. Hi, guys! Have you ever had ruined toys? Well, today, I'm going to show you a few hacks that will help you clean up a ruined doll. A Barbie doll, in this case. I really want her to shine with beauty like before.
You've stepped on a very difficult path, my friend Sue.
Actually, anyone can do any of the things I'm going to show in today's video. It'll only take a few minutes. So the first problem are these pen marks.
I can't even imagine what happened here.
Oh, Sammy, I was so little back then. I just did anything that came to my mind. I probably wanted to apply some makeup.
Yeah, right.
To clean the felt pen marks off the doll, I'm going to need some toothpaste and a cotton pad. I'll apply some toothpaste on the dirty areas like this. And now I'll wipe it with the cotton pad. Done! The next step is the hair. Oh, I don't think I can brush that. But I know a good way to untangle doll hair. I'll pour some laundry conditioner into a bowl. Then I'll soak the doll's hair in it. There. Now it should be really easy to brush her hair. Perfect! My Barbie is almost as beautiful as before. Now that the hair is dry, let's make her even more beautiful. Colorful locks are still in fashion, so I'll make a few pink locks in Barbie's hair, like this. These old clothes won't do. I know! I'll make you a nice swimsuit in a couple of minutes. I'll cut off the lower part of a balloon, like this. Now, I need to fold it in half and make neat holes for the legs. Nice! The swimming bottoms are done. And now for the top part. I'll cut strips of the balloon, like this. And that's it! I just need to put it all on Barbie. Oh, this color will suit you so well. Done! Oh, you look so wonderful, Barbie.
So, Sue, how's your... Oh! Greetings, my dear lady.
Sam, it's my old Barbie doll. I cleaned her up.
I can't believe it! Sue, you should let her go to the slime ball with me.
A slime ball? Well, then you'll need a gorgeous dress for that, right? Let's see. Oh, you don't have any shoes. Let's make you a pair of pretty shoes. I've inserted a colored glue tube into our glue gun. But first we need to protect your feet. I doubt you'll want to wear the same pair of shoes forever. Just like this. Very neatly. And now with the help of glue, I'll make you some pretty shoes. Remember to be very careful when you work with a glue gun. It's very hot. And now allow the glue to cool down. Next, we need to wipe away the excess.
Dear Barbie, let me try this shoe on you.
Sam, she's not Cinderella.
Oh, can't I imagine myself in a fairy tale for a bit?
The shoes are ready. Now it's time for the dress. I know 2 ways of making a dress for a doll without sewing. For the first method, I'll need a sock. I found this cute sock in my old things. Let's see if these colors suit you. I think they do. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. I'll cut off the lower part of the sock very neatly. Now, I need to make small cuts in the upper part. Let's try it on. Well, the dress is cute, but is it good enough for a ball? Right, where's all my pretty fabric?
No, I can't wait any longer.
Your lady will be ready very soon, don't worry. Let's see, this one? No. Here! Yes! This one will do. I'll take a square piece of fabric and fold it like this. Done! Now we need to cut away the excess. Go slowly, you need to do it neatly. It's a bit like cutting out paper snowflakes. Give a thumbs up if you've ever made paper snowflakes. And now, I'll unfold it a bit and make cuts here and here. Done! Time to get changed, Barbie! I think you'll like this dress even more. Right. Carefully now. Perfect! I think we'll need a small belt here. Oh wow, this gold lace matches the fabric so well! Yes! Yes! Wonderful! Let's work on your hairstyle and you'll be ready to go.
Oh, I'm so tired of waiting.
Sam, stop whining. Why don't you go get some flowers for your lady?
Oh, I can do that.
You can style a doll's hair with the help of a few rubber bands. I think braids are always in style, so I'll make her a few. You just need to twist the locks like this. I'll fix them with a bobby pin and do the same to the other side. Now let's tie the braids with a rubber band. Done! Oh, I think it looks beautiful.
Dear Barbie, allow me to take you to a slime ball.
Oh, dear Sam, you're so gallant. I'll be happy to go to the ball with you. And that's how you can save an unlucky doll and turn her into a real beauty. Hey guys, if you liked our hacks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
Strange, I never heard a ghost giggle. Or skip.
Oh no, I just know someone is gonna say...
Let's go after it.
Let's go after it.
there, kitty cat!
Huh?
Well, that's the first time I've ever seen a cat afraid of a mouse.
Oh, come on. I thought it was,
That sounded like Jaja. Come on, let's hurry.
No, wait for me!
Help! Help! Jaja, did the ghost put you in this cage? No, I was trying to get the ghost in the cage. But I guess it backfired.
Surprise, surprise.
Oh, it's locked. Here, let me help you. Oh, thank you, Princess Billy. No problem. So, you saw the ghost, Jaja? Yes, I saw it. The terrifying ghost. It looked like this.
The ghost looks like a bedsheet.
Yes, but with pink feet.
Pink feet? Something about this ghost sounds fishy.
Or maybe it sounds more panda than fish. Look at this.
Those footprints look just like panda prints.
And not just any panda, a problem panda.
And if a problem panda is involved, we know who's behind all of this.
A problem koala? No, Jaja, the twin princesses. Ugh, I'd rather have a ghost. Well, I guess there's only one thing to do.
Go back to the castle and hide under our beds.
No, Sir Kitty Cat. We have to follow these panda tracks.
Let's just hope they're panda tracks.
The tracks end here.
Oh, poor Ed. Let's see if he's okay.
Don't hurt me, you ghastly ghost! Please, what do you want? Anything!
Give me the ravishing potion.
The beautiful beauty potion that makes you ravishingly ravishing?
Yes,
Strange choice for a ghost. Not here.
thanks. I mean, boo.
We were right. That's no ghost. It's just a panda under a sheet.
Why is he scaring everyone?
I don't know, but we're going to find out. Truman, do you still have the sheet Jaja made?
Right here.
Great. I have an idea.
You there!
No!
What are you doing in my neighborhood?
Hey, wait, you got it all wrong. I'm not really a ghost. See, I'm a panda.
A panda? I love pandas. For lunch. I don't know what he was so scared about. I was just inviting him over for lunch.
Ed, are you okay?
Never better, princess. I was just coming out to see who was laughing all that laughter.
That ghost was no ghost, Ed. It was a panda, out to do the twin princess's bidding, no doubt.
But don't worry, we gave him a taste of his own medicine.
Yeah, I bet he won't go scaring anyone else ever again.
Well, you are all correctly correct to laugh, because the joke is most certainly certain on the twin terrors.
What do you mean?
That panda came from my ravishing potion, but I accidentally gave him my vanishing potion.
So instead of being beautiful, the twins are going to
Disappear?
Well, it's about time. I saw the scariest thing I've ever seen.
That's nice. Do you have the ravishing potion?
I'll never scare anyone else ever again, now that I know how it feels.
Whatever. Just spray us with the potion so that we can become the most beautiful, ravishing princesses in the whole world. Hey! Where did I go? Why can't I see myself in the mirror?
You're invisible!
Huh?
Vanishing potion?
Whoa! Ghost! Where? Ghost!
Wow, the twins' house of horrors really sounds like one today.
I guess Ed hasn't arrived there yet with the antidote.
Too bad he doesn't have a potion that can make them not seen and not heard.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Listen, we're first going to... You know, it's not very nice to make up stories to frighten other people. Anyway, there's no spider in my hair because it's crawling up your arm!
Now you know how it feels.
You're right. It's not all that funny to scare people. In fact, it's not funny at all. We're sorry.
So are we.